Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to make a realistic light beam effect. We will paint light that looks real and draw a white triangle shape stretching from our light sources and also blur it using Gaussian blur. Now set blend to screen and also duplicate and fade for layered beam. Then add dust particles using a soft brush and also adjust brightness near the sources. The glowing beam gives your photos a magical atmosphere, perfect for concerts, portraits, or fantasy edits. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.